Now about clinical and applied anatomy of retina. I know there are books written on this. There is lots and lots of things which can be taught to you, but that will be a part of ophthalmology curriculum. My point of telling you is only a few important point, and just I've collected only this point. In between my lecture, I have been telling lots of important points which will help you understand the clinical anatomy of the eyeball. Here is just one important point, that is about the drusen. What is drusen? What is this drusen called? Now drusen, look here. Can you see this is fundoscopic examination, and you are seeing is the optic disc. So if this is the optic disc, this is the macula, right? So this means this is on the medial side, this will be lateral. So this will be of the left eye, fundus of the left eye. Now can you appreciate that small yellowish spots can be seen on the central retina. These small yellowish dots which you are seeing that are called drusen. These are the drusen. Now what are these? Let's study. These are actually, let me tell you, these are the waste products and the lipids and proteins, lipoproteins or lipids basically accumulated there. In the important point is, where do they get accumulated? These waste products, the lipids, they get accumulated in the first layer of retina. This is very important. It might be asked sometime. So remember that they get accumulated in the pigment cell layer of the retina. And this is what does this suggest? This suggests that there is macular degeneration with age, and that's called AMD, age related macular degeneration. Okay, just give it a reading fast. Drusen are the defining feature of the macular degeneration, right? These small fatty proteins or lipids, yellow or white spots on the retina, can be detected by an ophthalmologist during a dilated, obviously before doing ophthalmoscopic examination you have to dilate the pupil so as to have a clear vision of the fundus. So you can see with the help of ophthalmologist during the dilated eye exam or with the retinal photography, people with more than a few small drusen are said to have early, more than a few small drunken means, like in early stage may, like before 60 years, if you are sending more than a few, then it's called early AMD, and this is called age related macular degeneration. Then other points about drusen is that it occurs in most people over the age of 60 years. This is another important point, and this is super important point, that is more common in women than in men. This is more common in women than in men. Okay, so drusen, you have got so many points to remember now. Now drusen are deposits of extracellular wastes that accumulate under the retina. Remember this word, under the retina, between the specialized layer of cells. Between the specialized layer of cells called the retinal pigment epithelium and Bruch's membrane. Right, that's a measure of fibrous proteins, that's mostly collagen and elastic. You know that's what I talk all about, the Bruch's membrane. So this is exactly another important point about drusen, that where do these waste products, the lipid products, they accumulate? They are actually below the pigment epithelium, and what lies below the pigment epithelium is the Bruch's membrane. So in between Bruch's and pigment epithelium, you're finding these lipid droplets, waste lipid artifacts, or whatever you can say it's degeneration, small little spots. They are present down deep to the retina in between the pigment epithelium and the Bruch's membrane. These are called drusen. Okay. So finally I think I have covered the most of the required anatomical aspects of the retina. Next I will continue with optic